me so I could you say me any you know. And I'm running out you didn't got me go some point any you know. Any you know. Give it to me now. La 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 la. Now we no want to see you. No want to see you. Say and I will say. I'm not near Kokurokoro. Nana mia, no want to see Sumuya. X-ray, hi-yo, R-N-T-D, R-B-B-R. R-N-T-D, R-B-B-R. When I ever say away, R-N-T-D, R-B-B-R. Oh, R-N-T-D, R-B-B-R. Yeah, some money I use of me, I go use of me, and you know. Nabuania, you didn't have me. Come some point, and you know. Why now? I be one make a die. So make a die. You leave me so tame to be menda. Yes, sir. How comfort Media everywhere. Won't go out any man sir. In any that's so clear. Any day everywhere. One no more simple book. A man sir. Waiting for Wakuma Mamio. Any day everywhere. One no more simple book. I am a wretched sir. Let's see if I walk on my mobile. Let me there everywhere. Oh, Auntie comforted, comforted. For welcome and mommy, long day they don't know. Oh no. I go no Mexico, me don't go no Mexico. Long day go no Mexico, comforted in a me. Opemsuo, he don't go to Mexico. Now go to Mexico, the American. One number sample, am I wretched, sir? Thanks for Wakuma Mamio. They let it everywhere. One number sample, am I wretched, sir? Thanks for Wakuma Mamio. Everywhere, all don't go number two. Love and go number two. Comfort saying a me. And go number two. Me don't go number two. Go number two. Bandy and my mama. Other. Woman is so minty. Now treat me a lunam. Can't go national bank. Kaya break and yes, I young confana you won't know. The mom Adanayo. I go number two. Me don't go number two. Love and go number two. Comfort in the people. And go number two. Me don't go number two. I'll go number two. Party and my mom. Comfort, bro. Won't go out. Any my rexing, in the end, that's so bia. May any day everywhere. When no one said, Bumbo, any my rexing, and if I want to remember you, may any day everywhere. When no one said, Bumbo, any my rexing, and if I want to remember you, may any day everywhere. One no Misumo give it to me now. Viva money mio, viva money mio, viva money me. And y'all know viva money mio. The soul money mio, money me I'm getting for. No me de. People miss you. Everybody miss you. Yeah, well. Better on the miracle. The mother from me. The strain of myself also yet of how they feel. I am my feel. Bring it on low, or don't remember the media. Or don't remember the media. Been so, and it's so angry me. Been so, viva money me, viva money me, viva money me. Viva Mario, sorry Mario, Mario, I'm getting for. No, me de. Everybody needs you. Everybody needs you. Yeah, well, give it to me, baby. Viva money, hey, I'm gonna be my money, yo. That's so money, me, I'm catchy for. No, me, everybody Mexican top of a mansion. Mexican top of a mansion. And I'm even on the summer say, good, I make my every morning. My money, yeah. Because it's a because you are I'm not near only like Kura when you're scarring me top of a say. Yes, it was some dosso. Yes, it was some yarrow. Yes, it was some yarrow. Yeah, oh, nana, oh, nana, yeah, nana, oh, nana, nana, oh, nana, yeah, nana, oh, nana, nana.
Ladies and gentlemen, shall we all rise to welcome His Majesty Otumfuo Osei Tutu II and the President of the Republic, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. We are showing and demonstrating dignity and respect to our king and our president as we rise on our feet to welcome him to this royal banquet. Your Majesty, King of Kings, the pillar of peace, the light of the golden stool, the soul and the spirit of the Ashanti kingdom, Your Majesty, I greet you well. We thank you so much for inviting us to your palace to wine and dine with you, and perhaps dance with you. It's historic as we are marking the first Akwasidae for the year 2025 here at the Mashia Palace. It is indeed refreshing that you will get an invitation from His Majesty Opemsuo Osei the Second. Today, we have all been blessed by the spirit of our ancestors, and you've been here. You are making history. Pillar of Peace, King of Kings, we thank you for this gracious invitation. Your Excellency, the President of the Republic, 3 times Commander-in-Chief of the Ghana Armed Forces, the nation's builder, a Jumara, John Dramani Mahama, we thank you for gracing the occasion for us with our presence for the first Akwasidae for the year 2025. On behalf of His Majesty, the chiefs of the people of Ashanti Kingdom, we say thank you and akwaba. We are doing this just to remind you that this is your home, that this is where you wine and dine. And we thank you for your presence here. I'd like to, first of all, acknowledge the presence of the Canadian High Commissioner to Ghana, who is our special guest also here to celebrate Akwasidae with us. Her Excellency, Marianne Maprat. Thank you so much for being here. A round of applause. Her Excellency, Marianne Maprat has been a distinguished personality, and I'm glad that today she's adorning our beautiful kente cloth. Another round of applause for her as she is exhibiting her identity. Thank you. I indicated somewhere that last year was the 25th anniversary of His Majesty Opemsuo Osei II, the chairman of the planning committee, is the Mahine of Jobin traditional area. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for the Mahine of Jobin traditional area, Nana Utu Srebo the second. I was about to ask something, but let me hold it there. Whether it's a former or it's still the current. Whether it has been dissolved or it has not been dissolved yet. Council of State, chairperson. I don't know yet. Mr. President, dissolved or still in place? Dissolved? Let's hang in there. Just close to Nana Utu Srebo II is the Immaculate Ohima of Mampo. Indeed, she served as Santaman, and perhaps she's the occupant of the silver stool, the Ohima of the occupant of the silver stool, Nana Ajekuma Difie the second, and she will be celebrating her 25th anniversary as Ohima of Mampo. Another gracious response and applause to the Ohima Mahima of Mampo traditional area, Nana Ajekuma Difie. 25 years on the throne. Nana, thank you so much. Indeed, we have the one and only Sir Sam Jonah also here to celebrate Akwasidae with us. And close to Sir Sam Jonah is the national chairman of the National Democratic Congress, Honorable Johnson Asiedu Nketia, affectionately called General Mosquito. Round of applause for General Mosquito. No biting. Also at the high table with the Majesty is Asumajahine Nana Ochiri Kusim from Nana. Thank you so much. And of course, Nkwansahine Nana Kwame Bafo also here to celebrate Akwasidae with us. Thank you so much. Now, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, this invitation is gracious. We are here to wine and dine with His Majesty. No long talk. We have a band here, and the band can play you all music, from high life to Afro pop to whatever. If the opportunity comes, maybe you have the dancing floor to dance with the king. We have 4 sessions and 4 stations where you eat and eat and eat well. Let me quickly run through the menu for the day. We will start with our spring rolls with some flakes and fish balls. We go to the main menu with fufu and light soup, fufu and rere, banquet and tilapia. We have apapransa, the yam balls, acheke and tilapia coming from La Côte d'Ivoire. We have kotumri and granule soup, plantain and palaba sauce. If you want to go continental, we have some jollof rice, plain rice, ivory rice, and all that. Satisfy yourself. Everything has been paid by His Majesty Otumfuo Osei Tutu II. Bon appetit.
You've been gone, it's an empty world. Come on back to where you really belong. You are always welcome, welcome home. You've been kept down for months too long. Start up, please, and say I am free. Don't forget, you are welcome, welcome home. Come with me on this happy day, back to the promised land. And I will be happy again. Come with me, oh, on this happy day, back to the promised land. And I will be happy again. Aye, aye. You've been gone, it's an empty hole. Come on back where you really belong. You are always welcome, welcome home. You've been kept down for months too long. Start up, please, and say I'm free. Don't forget, you are welcome, welcome home. Don't come with me, oh, always happy, taking back to the promised land. And I will be happy again. Come with me, always happy, taking back to the promised land. And I will be happy again. Welcome home. 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 You come on back. You come on back. Welcome home. Welcome home. Welcome home. Welcome home. Welcome home. I'm a sunshine on a cloudy day. And it's so good outside. I've got the month of May. Whoa, 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 whoa. I guess you say, what can make me feel this way? My girl, my girl, my girl. So come on, my girl, my girl. I've got so much money, the peace of me. I've got to see the songs, than the birds in the trees. Whoa, 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 whoa. I guess you say, what can make me feel this way? My girl, my girl, my girl. Talk about my girl, my girl. Ooh. Good music. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't need no money, fortune or fame. I've got all the riches, baby, one man can claim. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I guess you say, what can make me feel this way? My girl, my girl, my girl. Talk about my girl, my girl. Talk about my girl, my girl.
Reminds me of the old genius. Now the food will be served, table by table. You need to wait for you to be called.
Whoa, whoa.
Yeah.
Da-da. Whoa, whoa. Well, my friends, the time has come to raise the room and have some fun. Throw away the work to be done. Let the music play and play and play and play. Everybody dance, everybody dance. Let the music take control. We gon' do party, carnival, fiesta forever. Come on and sing along. We gon' to party, caramba, fiesta, forever. Come on and sing it long. All night long, all night, all night, all night long, all night, all night, all night long, all night, all night, all night long, all night, all night. People dancing long in the streets, see her in them all in their feet. Life is good, wild and sweet. Let the music play on, play on, play on, play on. Feel it in your heart and feel it in your soul. Lose yourself and walk from maze. We gon' to party, lighting, fiesta, forever. Come on and sing it long. All night long, all night, all night, all night long, all night, all night, all night long, all night, all night, all night long, all night, all night. Hey! Once you get started, you can sit down. I'm joining hands in some merry-go-round. People and dancing their troubles away. Come join our party, see how we play. Ah. Jumboli is in the boya. Hey, jumbo, jumbo, with the battle open go. Oh, jambola, jamboli, and send the boya. Hey, jumbo, jumbo. Oh, 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 yeah. We gonna have a party. All night long, all night. Oh, yeah. All night, all night long, all night. All night long, all night, all night, all night,
All night long.
all night, all night. Thank you, all night. Thank you.
All right. It's good for you to boogie. Nice one. Remind you of your old days. Okay. Tonight you are boogieing all night long. Nananam sanya yakana kaneno. Ene baby a hyehyɛ nnuano no 9. Na yɛbɛsra yɛ atwɛn na yɛmɛfrɛ. Yɛmpɛ di pere nyinaa bɛbɔ ape so ɛwɔ hɔ. Enti yɛbɛkɔ no table by table. Enti yɛbɛba bɛfrɛ. Ɔhyɛ bebree ɛwɔ ha. Na nananam asɛbio untumi nkita aduane no obɛdi w'anim na ne opɛ bia wɔyi ɛde ama wo na wode abɛsi wo table so fɛɛfɛ. So you wait until you have been called to dish yourself. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the first Akwasidae of the year 2025. The ushers are coming and they are picking table by table. That wonderful lady will usher you to the station. We thank you so much. Wish you all the best. Bon appetit, Miss Dear Band. This is the Royal Voices. Give us more music. Yes. We also have the daughters of Glorious Jesus here. OG.
It's so good loving somebody, then somebody loves you back. To be loved and be loved and everything is the only thing that I am desire. Just appreciate the little things I do. Oh, you're the one who's got me inspired to keep on lifting me higher. So good, good, loving somebody, somebody loves you back. It's so good, needing somebody, somebody needs you back. We can build a world of love, a love of joy. They can go each other's happiness. I would do for you the little things I do. Oh, every day I wanna do a little more, just a little bit more. It's so good loving somebody, somebody loves you back. It's so good needing somebody, somebody needs you back. That is so good. Wow. Oh, to be loved and be loved and praised is the only thing that my heart desire. Just appreciate the little things I do. Oh, you are the one who's got me inspired. Keep on lifting me high. So good, good. Loving somebody, somebody loves you back. It's so good. Needing somebody, somebody needs you back. Talk about 70-30, now 60-40. Talk about 50-50 love. That is so good. Loving somebody, somebody loves you back. It's so good. Needing somebody, somebody needs you back. That is so good. Loving somebody, somebody loves you back. Give it to me now. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You make me happy. This you can bear. You split right beside me, and I won't forget. Ha! And you know I love you. You should know. I wanna make sure I'm right, girl, before I let go. Ha! And we have a good times. That's what they say. We've hurting each other. The girl is a shame. And you can do this, oh no. You should know. I wanna make sure I'm right, girl, before I let go. Ha! You know I take on sunrise and sunshine on you, and you know there's nothing I wouldn't do. Ha! Before I let you go. And I'll never let you go before I let go. Ha! Give it to me now.
Yes, sir. Sir, you're free with Tebua. Yabotre, Emaye. Yes, sir. The partner, a peso or ho. So we have enough to eat, we have enough to drink. Yes, we have been in the sun for a while, but wait until you have been called upon. Please, respectfully, wait until you are being called upon. Thank you so much. Monsieur OG, sorry about that. More music? More music. Dr. Osei Kwame Despite.
People say she's crazy, she got diamonds in the soles of her shoes. Well, that's one way to lose this fucking blues. Diamonds in the soles of her shoes. She's physically forgotten, and then she's sleeping to my pocket with my car keys. She said he's taking me for granted cause I please you. Wearing diamonds in the soles of her shoes. While I can say ooh, I mean everybody who knows what I'm talking about. I mean everybody here will know exactly what I'm talking about. Talking about diamonds in the soles of her shoes. Say, ooh, I mean everybody who knows what I'm talking about. I mean everybody who knows exactly what I'm talking about. Talking about that.